Welcome back to TakeApart. Thanks to Zstar-China.com to sending me this magnetic dog leash. Let's open it. Please subscribe in the meantime and let's have a look at this Wudong dog magnetic dog leash. It has a nice design and it's looking strong with magnetic lock and high quality steel. Product links are in description. I will try it, but I don't have a dog or cat to test it on. Its special design will hold dog on a leash. Basically just line up the lock with the base and it just jump together. Doesn't matter which side you're using, it's working. Definitely cool and strong leash. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.